Just look at the difference. This is 2 week difference, not even 2 weeks. Hi guys, welcome back to What the Flower. And today is a fairly good morning, and I wanted to show you something. So these are the carnations. Hello, and money plant and blah blah blah. This is the marigold. This is actually like very nice, and this is becoming my favorite thing in the world. This is just 2 weeks growth, and it was a baby leaf. I trimmed it a lot because the leaves were tiny and rotten, and it was not growing very well for a long time now. So I trimmed it and it grew. So yesterday I posted a short where YouTube short where I was cutting these and making these slips for marking my plants. Finally, we have the names of our plants, and we know what we are doing now. So Tulsi, bird's nest, again money plant, morning glory, carnation, and this favorite purple heart. And this is a snake plant. This is again bird's nest, and bird's nest again. I have three of them. And this is hibiscus, this is marigold, this is our newly bud leaf, and again a snake plant. This is the first carnation pot that we sow. So we labeled all of them, and at least we have a base of something. At least I know what I'm doing to what. And now, why am I cutting these? You can see, I saw this on Gemini. I asked ki why are there no flowers in this plant, only leaves. So they said pruning helps, और उन्होंने बोला था gentle pruning. Gentle pruning is basically cutting them थोड़ा थोड़ा so that they can have a reset to it. But I had to do it. Why? Because again the plants were left alone for a long time, and I need to like give them a proper head start or a restart. So I did like a lot more than just a little. And at least, oh my god, so pretty. Anyway, so I trimmed the plants a little. I mean, बहुत ही ज़्यादा उजड़ा हुआ लग रहा है सब, but I think with time it'll get better, and I needed to do this. So again the ritual, I'm just watering them, and I think I'll move the plants or pots thoda sa na idhar udhar, because see, even the tulsi is leaning forward because of this, I think, sunlight issue. That's it's not getting enough direct sunlight. So I'll move around a little, and I don't think it'll come in the show in this video. I will do it after it and show it to you in the next one. I trimmed it, and I like logged. I have a notebook that I mark or note everything that I'm doing to the plants. When I sow the seeds, when I put rice water or eggshells or vermicompost or something like that, I always note it down to notice the growth and know more, at least. Like I should know. And I will this again, I don't even want to comment on this is not growing, the coriander one. Now purple heart has been it has been becoming my favorite thing ever. It's so cute, and the name of the plant is itself very cute, like purple heart. Oh my god, this is so pretty, so pretty. And I just am very happy because I know it is a slow growth, and it's been like 2 weeks. I am impatient, but to be very honest, I'm really glad that I can see some things turning, like the marigold and the purple heart growing, and good growth in hibiscus. See, the leaves look very healthy, and little changes I can hear, and I can see idhar udhar. Even the carnation, this carnation is better because something is wrong with this carnation, and I'll reveal it to you in the next video. And I just have to be sure before I actually declare it. And so yeah, that's it. And also I had, see, looks a lot better. Yep. Anyway, in the next video or short maybe, I have two things left, eggshells and vermicompost. Eggshells left again. We'll see that in another video. Bye.